The global supply chain was severely disrupted due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The CR Express, however, continued to operate. According to the latest statistics released by China State Railway Group Company Limited, 1,033 CR Express trains were in service and 93,000 containers were delivered through CR Express in May, up 43% and 48% respectively compared with the same period last year. This was the first time that over 1,000 CR Express trains were in service in a single month. The volume of delivery also reached a historic high. Affected by the COVID-19, the GDP growth rate of all major economies shrunk during the first quarter of the year. With the pandemic still rampant, how was CR Express able to maintain its operation to stabilize the global supply chain? Many countries were forced to shut down their ports and airports because of the COVID-19 outbreak, resulting in the restriction of shipping and air freight and the decline of global trade. For CR Express, delivery was split into parts and did not involve any human quarantine inspection. The normalization of CR Express became an essential connection between the upper and lower level of the global supply chain. It also facilitated cross-border flow of goods and services and was important in the resumption of factory production. The low cost and high reliability of CR Express were even more prominent during the pandemic. An owner of a Shenyang-based enterprise praised its delivery speed. It only took 12 to 15 days to send its products to Russia with CR Express, while the same shipment would have taken 45 days via other means. The delivery time was cut by 2/3, and the cost was only 1/3 of air freight. As railways are less affected by weather and traffic conditions, it is a more dependable way to deliver the cars to clients, said Volvo. CR Express also played an important role in global anti-pandemic cooperation. China Railway Corporation explained that anti-pandemic materials were prioritized by the company. In May, nearly 1.2 million pieces of anti-pandemic material, which weighed in at 9,381 tons, were delivered worldwide. The materials included medical masks, first aid kits, protection suits, thermometers, and safety goggles. The delivered items have been used by countries all around the world to prevent the further spread of COVID-19. Apart from the medical supplies, high-quality daily goods and production components from Europe and China, such as beers and chocolates from Belgium, red wines from Spain, ice cream from Italy, and high-tech products from China, were able to be delivered to various countries through CR Express during the pandemic. Although CR Express was affected at the beginning of the pandemic, it quickly recovered and went on to achieve growth. This was the result of policies implemented by several Chinese authorities. The Ministry of Transport included the CR Express container transport vehicles in the Green Channel of emergency transportation to drive the resumption of work and production in logistic parks and ensure the regular operation of CR Express during the pandemic. China Customs and Ministry of Commerce rolled out measures for CR Express to mitigate the impact from COVID-19. Under the pandemic, CR Express achieved growth based on its unique advantages. Can it keep the momentum after the pandemic? CR Express operates container freight trains between China, Europe, and countries along the Belt and Road Initiative. 3 railway delivery channels have been formed between China and Europe. The Western Channel mainly attracts exports from southwestern China, northwestern China, central China, northern China, and eastern China. Running on Longhai Railway and Lanzhou-Xinjiang Railway, it connects the Russian and Kazakhstan Railway at the Korgos Gateway in Xinjiang. It also goes into Belarus and Poland. The Central Channel mainly attracts exports from central China and northern China. Running on Beijing-Guangzhou Railway, Beijing-Baotou Railway, and Jining-Erenhot Railway, it connects with Mongolia and Russia at the Erenhot Gateway in Inner Mongolia. It also goes into Belarus and Poland. The Eastern Channel mainly attracts exports from eastern China, southern China, northeastern China. Using Beijing-Shanghai Railway, Beijing-Harbin Railway, and Binzhou Railway, it connects with the Russian Railway at Manzhouli Port in Inner Mongolia and Suifenhe Port in Heilongjiang. It also goes into Belarus and Poland.